So hello all, in this video we are going to discuss further questions of probability. Next question is question number 7th. Okay, question number 7th is the king, queen, jack and clubs are removed. Jack of clubs are removed from a deck of 52 playing cards. The remaining cards are well shuffled. A card is drawn from the remaining cards. Find the probability that the card is a heart, right? So king, queen and jack of clubs are removed. That means 3 cards are removed from a deck of 50 playing cards and the remaining cards are well shuffled. From a deck of 50 playing cards and the remaining, you better just leave this question or make a correction. 52 playing cards are there. So out of 52 playing cards we have removed 3 cards, right? So 49 cards are there. So a heart means 13 cards. Probability of a heart, so total cards are 49 now, so 13 upon 49, so this is our answer. Probability of a queen, so total queens are 3 now, 3 upon 49, this is our answer because one queen we have already removed. So probability of club, so total cards of club, 3 cards we have removed, so 11. Okay, 10 upon 49, so this is the answer. Next, 8th question. A box contains 5 red balls, so red 5, white 8, green 4. One marble is taken out. What is the probability that the marble taken out is will be red colored? Probability of red colored marble is 5 upon total. So total will be 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 5 upon 17. Probability of white is 8 upon 17, right? Probability of not green, right? So except green, 8 plus 5, so 8 plus 5 upon total 17, so we can say 13 upon 17, right? Next, 9th, a bag contains 9 discs of which 4 are red 4, blue 3, yellow 2. The disc are similar in shape and size. A disc is drawn at random from the bag. Calculate the probability that it will be a red, yellow. Okay, first probability of red. So total we have 9 disc, right? 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, right? So probability of red will be 4 upon 9. Second, probability of yellow. So yellow 2 upon 9. Probability of blue, third, probability of blue 3 upon 9, which is 1 by 3. Fourth, not blue, probability of not blue, right? So not blue will be how much? Except blue we have 4 red and 2 yellow. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 upon 9, or we can say 2 upon 3, right? Next, probability either red or yellow. So probability either either red or yellow. So yeah, red are 4, yellow are 2, 6 upon 9, 2 upon 3, right? So this is the answer. Next, 10th, in a lottery there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. Find the probability of getting, okay, lottery prize is equal to 10, blank is equal to 25, total is equal to 10 plus 25, 35, right? Now find the probability of getting a prize in purchasing a single ticket of that lottery. So probability of prize will be 10 upon 35 total, so 2 upon 7. Don't skip the formula, write the formula first. So probability of any event is equal to total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So this is our answer. So I'll show you the questions which we have done. So this question number 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th we have done. Let's move on to next question number 11th. So if there are two children in a family, right? So this is question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if there are two children in a family, find the probability that there is at least one boy in the family. Assume each child, okay, so two children are there, boy or girl. So either both of them can be boy, right? Sample space. Or one is boy, other one is girl, or first one is girl, other one is boy, right? Or both are girls, right? So probability of getting at least one boy, probability of at least one boy, that means more than one boy is possible but not less than one boy. So one boy and two boy we have. So one boy are one and two cases, and two boy one case, upon total 4, right? So probability is 3 upon 4. At least one boy means either we can have one boy or two boy, right? So both of the probabilities we have written. So the answer is 3 upon 4. Next, 12th. In a single throw of two dice, find the probability of not getting the same number on both the dice. So single throw of two dice, find the probability of not getting the same number. Okay, same number can be 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So total outcomes are 36. So favorable outcome, not getting the same number on both the dice. So favorable outcome will be 36 minus 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So 6. So 30. So probability is equal to, probability of the event is equal to 30 upon 36, which is 5 by 6. So this is our answer. Next, 13th question. So 13th question. If 2 by 11 is the probability of happening an event, so probability of happening an event is equal to 2 upon 11. What will be the probability of not happening the event? P dash E we have to determine, right? So we all know that PE plus P dash E, right, is equal to 1. So P is 2 upon 11 plus P dash E is equal to 1. So P dash E is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 11, 11 minus 2, 9 upon 11. So 9 upon 11 is the answer. Next, 14th. A letter is chosen at random from the word assassination. Find the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel, right? So total assassination word is ASSASSINATION, right? So we have to choose a letter, and the letter should be a vowel. Probability of vowel. So how many vowels are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 upon total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 6 upon 13. So vowels are A, 2A, 2I and 1O. 3A, 2I and 1O. So 6. Okay. Probability of a consonant is equal to, except vowels, we have 7 consonants upon 13 total, 7 upon 13. Next, 15th. Find the probability that a leap year selected at random will have 53 Sundays. Okay, so this is somewhere a standard question. So a leap year contains 53 Sundays, right? So how many 360, or leap year has 366 days, right? Total days is equal to 366 in a leap year, right? So if we convert it into weeks, so 366 upon 7 weeks, right? So 366 upon 7 weeks, or we can say 5 35 16 2 time, and 2 upon 7 weeks, right? So in 52 weeks, that means 52 confirmed Sundays will be there, Sundays, and 2 more days are there, 2 days, right? Because in each week we'll have one Sunday, so in 52 weeks we'll have 52 Sundays and 2 days are still remaining, right? So in these 2 days we can have either Sunday Monday, or Monday Tuesday, or Tuesday Wednesday, or Wednesday Thursday, or Thursday Friday, or we can have Friday Saturday, or we can have Saturday Sunday, right? So these possibilities we can have. So probability of getting Sunday is this one, the chances of getting Sunday is this one and this one only. So 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Probability of getting 53 Sunday is equal to 1 to 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 upon 7 is the answer. So that's all for this video. In the next video we'll solve further questions, that is from 16 to 20, and we'll study conditional probability also. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, thank you.